Hey guys, what's up? This is going to be my video going over the top 10 best Cydia sources for iOS 5 and also 5.0.1. Now, all the Cydia sources I list in this video will be found in the description down below, and in this video I'll be going from number 10 all the way up to number 1. To get all the Cydia sources I list in this video, what you'll have to do is open up Cydia. Now, once you open up Cydia, what you'll do is go into Manage, Sources, Edit, Add, and then you'll add the following Cydia sources that I list in this video. At number 10 is the iPhoneAIM.com/repo Cydia source. Now, once you open up the Cydia source, you will see that there is many Cydia packages in the Cydia source, such as AppSync for all the firmwares. You also do have Barrel, which allows you to have custom transitions as you slide from page to page. Beyond SMS, which is a great Cydia tweak if you text often. It will just improve your SMS app if you use it a lot. You also do have font packs, Camera Zoom, which enhances your camera app, Face Break, which allows you to FaceTime over 3G, and it also is compatible with iOS 5. Iconoclasm, which allows you to have custom springboard layouts. Keyboard shortcuts, which allows you to have similar shortcuts to your keyboard found in computers. NES emulator. Running indicator, which basically indicates your current running apps. And you also do have 5-row keyboard iOS 4, which allows you to have numbers on your keyboard, and you don't even have to go to the specified one. And you also do have 1,200 in one NES ROM pack, which allows you to have all the NES ROMs that you want for the NES emulator. At number 9 is the iHackStore.com/repo Cydia source. Now, once you go into the Cydia source, you will see that there is many Cydia packages in the Cydia source. And this Cydia source includes the likes of FaceBreak Gravity Board, which allows you to add gravity to your springboard. You also do have Infinity Folder, which allows you to have an infinite amount of icons within one folder. Parallax, which allows you to have panorama on your device. You also do have Safari Download Manager, which is a very useful utility for Safari, which allows you to have a full download manager for mobile Safari. You also do have scrolling board, which allows you to have a scrolling dock, and it also enhances your folders feature. 3G unrestricted, which allows you to FaceTime over 3G, and it also allows you to unrestrict Wi-Fi only applications on your device. Moving on to the next Cydia source in this video, which is the banned iPhone H7v.org Cydia source. Now, once you go into the banned iPhone Cydia source, you will see that you have many useful packages, including the likes of Action Board, which allows you to have useful system functions on your device at your app switcher. You also have BB Settings, which is a very powerful iOS 5 notification center tweak. Bigify Plus, which allows you to have cool and strange effects to your icons, so you can make your icons much bigger if you would like. You also do have Black Snow, which is a 3.2.1 unlock. You also do have boot logos, including the Droid boot logo, and you also do have Dreamboard, which is an advanced theming platform, which is like Winterboard, but in a way it is much better. And they both have their perks, and also they do have their disadvantages. Folder Enhancer, which basically improves and extends the iOS 4 folders. Flash, which is basically Flash on your iPhone. Do Twitter, which basically allows you to have Facebook and Twitter integration seamlessly into your iOS device. Springtomize, which basically allows you to take hold of your device. Zap Browser, which is a Palm Pre themed full screen tab browser. Those are the following Cydia packages that you will find in the banned iPhone Cydia source. The next Cydia source in this video is the repo.modyoureye.com Cydia source. This Cydia source doesn't have many Cydia packages, but the Cydia packages that this repo does have are the most useful ones, including the Apple custom logo and also the AT&T carrier logo for your iPhone. You also do have the FaceTime frames per second mod, which allows you to have a better FaceTime quality, but this only works when you have it installed on 2 jailbroken devices. No Fresh, which makes the Cydia loading times bearable. And you also do have 2G video MMS enabler and also 3G video MMS enabler. Now, both of these Cydia packages allows you to send video MMS on your 2G and 3G iOS device. Now the next Cydia source in this video is the Sinful iPhone Repo Cydia source, which is sinfuliPhoneRepo.com. Now the Sinful iPhone Repo Cydia source includes Android Loader, which is an Android style loader for your iDevice, which shows all your applications that you have installed on your device. Android Lock XD, which is an Android-like lock screen that you can have on your device. AppSync for iOS 4, iOS 5, and for OS 3.1 and 3.2. You do have Icon Notifier, which is an icon-based scrolling notification system. You do have Insomnia Pro, which allows you to lock your device and leave the Wi-Fi on. Multiflow, which is an expose-like cards multitasking interface for your multitasking, which is much better than the native multitasking. Notification Center Enhancer, which allows you to enhance the notification and make it more useful and better at the same time. Open Other, which basically allows you to redirect apps to open another app. So for example, if you would like, you can configure it to when you open up the App Store, and it actually redirects to open up Cydia. And that is what you'll find in the Sinful iPhone Repo. At number 5 of the top 10 best Cydia sources of all time is the BiteYourApple.net Cydia source. Now once you open up the BiteYourApple Cydia source, which is the repo.biteyourapple.net Cydia source, you will find many packages including ringtones. You'll also find many useful Cydia packages such as AppSync for all firmwares, Dreamboard, Flipover, which allows you to have an iPad smart cover basically for your device, so anytime you flip your device over, it will automatically lock your device. Gesturizer, which allows you to have custom gesture recognition for iOS. You also do have Group SMS, which allows you to text a large amount of people very easily and seamlessly at the same time. iSSH it, which allows you to back up your SH files from your device. You also do have Mail Enhancer and Mail Notifier and Mail Rules. Now what you can do with Mail Enhancer is it basically enhances your mail by using signatures, custom notifications, and also with Mail Notifier, you can have instant push notifications for your mail and Mail Rules. You can apply certain rules when new mail arrives. And you do have Map Reminders, which is a new Cydia tweak, which allows you to schedule iOS 5 reminders using the Map API. Now you also do have Switcher Lyrics, which allows you to have lyrics to a now playing song in your app switcher. And that is what you'll find in the BiteYourApple Cydia source. The next Cydia source in this video is the Exilize.com Cydia source. Now you will find many theme mods in Exilize. Now you also will find many books for iBooks, so you can actually download a book from the Exilize Cydia source and it'll download straight to your iBook so you can read it from there. And you also have many HD Retina themes, boot logos as well. You do have a call bar, which allows you to integrate your call in iOS 5 very seamlessly, and it's much like the notification center. And it's just an amazing Cydia tweak to have on your device. You also do have custom weather widgets, and they aren't just like the weather application in the stock OS. Now you also have many animated lock screens, and you do have Dreamboard themes, and you have SV settings as well. Again, you do have more books on Exilize and also ringtones for your phone. So if you download these ringtones from Exilize, it'll go straight to the ringtones extension that you will find in settings. Now you also do have many more HD themes and also SD themes for every device in iOS 4 and over without a Retina display. And you will find many similar Cydia packages in the Exilize repo. The next Cydia source in this video is the iHacksRepo.com Cydia source. Now, once you go into the iHacks repo Cydia source, you'll see that there's many custom keyboards. There also is many DLCs, also custom grid, which is a Cydia tweak that allows you to adjust the numbers of icon rows and columns as well. Now, you also do have many HD Retina display themes. You also do have dimmer, which makes your screen even darker. Now you also do have the Dreamboard theme, which is one of the best Dreamboard themes to have. You have all the HD Retina display themes, and you also do have some SD Retina display themes. Now you do have the Cydia tweak called G Power Pro, which allows you to completely revamp your power screen. So when you slide to power off, it looks completely different, and in a way it looks much better. Instant mirror, which allows you to use your front camera on your lock screen as a mirror. And you'll find many similar Cydia packages in this Cydia source. At number 2 is the repo.insanelyeye Cydia source. Now once you go into the insanelyeye Cydia source, you'll see that there's many Cydia packages in the Cydia source. Now this Cydia source includes the likes of many ringtones, many themes, many tweaks, DLCs. You also have Direct Closer Pro, which allows you to close apps easily in the task switcher. You also do have many ROMs for the Game Boy Advance emulator. You have many HD themes. You have with the HD themes, you have all the packages that comes with it, including the animated lock screen, the weather widget, and much more. Face Break, which allows you to enable FaceTime over 3G. Find My Phone, which allows you to audibly locate your iPhone with SMS. You do have custom fonts, many HD themes, Launch Vibrate, a Cydia tweak which vibrates your device when you open up an app. Now the best Cydia source of all time in the top 10 best Cydia sources video is the repo.hackyouriphone.org Cydia source. Now once you go into this Cydia source, you'll see that there's many Cydia tweaks, Cydia packages, Cydia mods, everything of those sorts. So you also do have the color keyboard. You also do have many HD SB settings themes. Custom batteries. Call blocker, which allows you to block calls. Many SMS themes. The Dreamboard theme, and also it has many wallpaper packs for different colors. Custom loading screens, custom color mods, custom keyboards. FaceTime mod, which changes the FaceTime frames per second. 5-Stone HD, which is a great Retina display theme in HD for Winterboard. iRemix, which enhances your iPod application. Lock messages, which allows you to hide messages, conceal alerts, and it locks your messages app as well. And that is what you'll find in the Hack Your iPhone Cydia source. So thank you for watching the top 10 best Cydia sources video. Please be sure to subscribe. Please give this video a thumbs up since it did take a lot of work and production, and also finding the best Cydia sources and ranking them as well. And also, please be sure to follow me on Twitter at twitter.com/applecritics and at reply me for any jailbreak related questions, and I'll be sure to answer them. iMessage me at applecriticsyt@me.com, and I will answer your iMessage and also provide jailbreak help. And thanks for watching.